In this video, I'll be showing you how to add end screen to YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is going to be very useful so that, people can go ahead and click on your channel or any other video that you would recommend towards the end of a video. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up YouTube on whatever you're using. And then on the top right, go ahead and click your profile icon and then go ahead to YouTube Studio right here. Now, once you're here, go over to content and select whichever video that you want to do this with. So for example, let's just say I chose this one. Go ahead and click the details button, scroll down, and you're going to see end screen as one of the options. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you have a bunch of different template choices. You can do one video, one subscribe, or in a different, position in the thing. You do two videos, or you can even do one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. So let's just say this is like the most commonly used one. You can just go ahead and pick it, and then you can change it if you want best for viewer, most recent upload, or if you want to choose a specific video. And then obviously if you want to subscribe and stuff like that, then yeah, you'll be good to go. So we can just do most recent upload, click save, and then it will be saved. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.